Hello, oil prices are down this week whilst gas and electricity prices climbed, thanks to a revised weather forecast suggesting colder than seasonal normal temperatures are expected to last until the end of January. So let's take a look in some more detail. A weak global economic outlook pressured prices lower on Monday, with Brent trading below the $60 per barrel mark during the day. The contract closed just above this level and lost nearly $1 per barrel session on session. Monday's losses were reversed on Tuesday, and this was largely driven by news that China's National Development and Reform Commission said it may roll out more fiscal stimulus measures to stem a further economic slowdown. The weekly EIA report showed a decline in stocks of 2.7 million barrels compared to the previous week on Wednesday. This news, alongside evidence of Saudi Arabia's cut in production, pushed prices higher throughout the day. Front-month Brent gained just over 60 cents per barrel. Prices were then flat on Thursday with no clear direction, and Brent also closed flat. Despite a couple of days' gains in the week, front-month Brent closed at $60.78 per barrel, and that's down $0.43 per barrel compared to last Friday. Milder weather on Monday, leading to a reduction in demand, left the system oversupplied. System length was depleted during the day as injections were then made into medium-range storage, although prices remained bearish. Near-term contracts closed down around 2 pence per therm, whilst longer-dated contracts lost around 0.5 pence per therm. Weather forecasts were revised on Tuesday, suggesting colder than seasonally normal temperatures until the end of January, and this news pressured prices higher. Despite the colder weather, supply and demand fundamentals were healthy on Wednesday, and it was confirmed that 6 LNG tankers would arrive in the UK before the end of the month, and that storage levels are also higher than this time they were last year. Near-term contracts eased throughout the day, but longer-dated contracts took their upward direction from rising oil. It was a bullish day for prices on Thursday, despite an oversupplied system. Forecasts of a cold snap is providing much support to prices. And last night, all contracts closed higher than last Friday. February 19 was up 1.3 pence per therm, while summer 20 was up 1.8 pence per therm. Bearish gas prices drove power prices lower on Monday, although the downward direction was short-lived. Most of the losses were quickly reversed on Tuesday, once again taking direction from their gas counterparts. Wednesday's session was mixed. Near-term contracts softened, whilst the longer-dated contracts took their direction from rising gas and coal prices. The bulls took charge on Thursday and all contracts rose. Last night, all contracts closed higher than last Friday. Summer and winter 19 closed 1.5 and 1.7 pound per megawatt higher, respectively. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.